series, Secret Ingredient Mall Show. I am Dimples Romana. Ako po ang host nyo para sa araw na ito. Kamusta po ang lahat? I know napakainit. Marami tayong nasa taas. Hello everybody. Hi! Hello! Salamat nga po pala sa Paradigm and Alamat. I'm such a big fan of both. I feel like championing Filipino spirit is our way to go and definitely what we're doing today. At syempre po ngayon ang ating mall show. Ito ang balita ko, pinakabago na, pinakamasarap pa na Asian fusion that has landed on TV. And I'm so excited because ito po ang pinakaunang collaboration between View and Unilever. Both I love very much. I hope nag-enjoy po kayo sa bawat booth na inahan natin. Alam ko merong mga match games dyan na gustong-gusto ng lahat. Nag-enjoy po kayo. Please, if you are taking photos and also posting on social media, please make sure to tag us at View Philippines and use the hashtags. Hashtag the secret ingredient is you and secret ingredient on View. Paano ba ako makiki-interact sa audience ito? Parang may pa-cage tayo. Pero, kamusta? Alam ko na sagot nyo, pero ano ba ang secret ingredient para sa inyo? The mother? Nor? I hear Nor? Alamat kasi yung sinasabi. Bakit? Iba-iba talaga ang secret ingredient para sa atin, and I see our Unilever family over here. Hi, ma'am. Ganyan din po ako kahinhin 5 years ago. Nawala na po yung hinhin sa akin as soon as lumabas na po yung 3 kong anak. Lalaki pa yung 2. Para talagang, hi! But the secret ingredient for me is family. At syempre, iba-iba yan para sa ating lahat. Syempre, nandiyan din ang pinakaborita natin mga actors and actresses. Pangalawa na dapat, it fills up our senses. Diba yan ang importante sa lahat na yung secret ingredient sa buhay natin ay nakakapagpabuhay ng ating katawan at ng ating pag-iisip ng mga ideologies natin at talagang kung ano-ano pa. I'm so happy that I see a lot of families here as well and a lot of beautiful moms. Hi, Mao. At syempre, kailangan naaamoy mo din yung secret ingredient, hindi lang nalalasahan. Dapat naaamoy mo din. Oh, naku, parang naaamoy nyo din dyan. Di ba yung energy dyan? I love it, ha? Nakakatakam talaga yung nakikita natin in the lines that really tug at your heart. Kaya naman, sigurado po na ang View, that secret ingredient, has all the right recipe for a series na talaga namang bubusog sa ating puso. Dahil hindi lang po isa, hindi lang 2, kundi 3 pambato sa larangan ng drama ang pinagsama-sama for the first time mula sa South Korea, Indonesia, and the Philippines. Inabangan sa EXO at Gran Turismo sina Sang-yeon Louis, Indonesian actor Nicholas Sapuda, and our very own Julia Barreto. Later on, bibigyan po natin tayo ng ating sneak peek of View's original series, Secret Ingredient, and very excited ako dyan. And not just that, but also a preview of some of the dishes that were featured in the series. And ako po talaga, bilang sa intro kanina, yummy mommy tayo, mahilig din po talaga ako magluto at kumain. Sino mahilig kumain sa inyo? Yan. Sino mahilig magluto? Tayo din yon. Kasi pag nagluluto, tayo din ang kakain. At syempre po, we have exciting activities lined up and exclusive prizes to be given away. And naku, yung prizes pong hinanda ng View at ng Unilever, pasok. Kaya hindi ko lang mabanggit today, surprise. Pero dapat talaga sumali kayo sa games mamaya. We have our different booths on ground which are all available and running until 9 p.m. So kung kayo po gusto niyo ng buong araw kasamang pamilya ninyo, you can share it with us here at View Original Secret Ingredient together with partnership also of Unilever. We have View Secret Ingredient Surprise where all you have to do is to input a 4-digit combination to unlock the prize inside our Lucky Vault. Nasaan po yan? Ang Lucky Vault natin is where? Over there. Ayan, dito po sa may bandang gitna. Correct? Okay. We also have the View Flavor Memory Match or Memory Game. I heard it's super good. It's this one. Yan pong ginagawa nila dyan. Just flip the boxes and form the perfect combination to reveal the secret ingredient combination within 30 seconds to get a prize. I heard that's the medyo favorite talaga of all. And we also have the flavorful photo opportunities with Maya and Ajun. I think it's here. Open Open Kitchen, Maya Master Chef Corner, and our Flavor Fiesta shelves right here. It's like a mock-up of a kitchen, no? That we have, correct. Nag-uuma pa po talaga ang schedule natin today, kaya naman, samahan niyo kami hanggang mamaya, hanggang 9 p.m. po ito, dahil simula pa lang ng ating mga festivities ngayon. Kaya na naman po ang hinihintay natin. Mag-register na po. You need to register. Where is the registration? Also, at the back, on the side, nandiyan po ang registration natin. Pwede po kayo mag-participate sa lahat ng mga exciting activities natin. Simple lamang din po ang kailangan ninyong gawin sa bawat booth. Make sure to download. Again, I cannot reiterate more. Today, you can download View app, like View, Nor, and Ladies' Choice social media pages. And of course, you are off to a chance to win a lot of exciting prizes. Kaya nakita ko yung prizes. Very exciting talaga. Kung hindi ako host, baka sumali na rin po ako. Bawal ata akong sumama. Sige na nga, no? I quit na po para manalo ng prize. Okay, now you're probably wondering, ano nga ba ang secret ingredient? Kanina ko pa may mention, pero ano nga ba mga ito? Panoorin po natin.